Hello everybody, my name's Kimberly and this is Fly Like a Girl, Fearless and Fabulous. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and if you like the content of this video or any of the others, make sure you hit the like button. It all helps us grow this channel, or me grow this channel, which means more people who are interested in aviation, particularly women in aviation, can find this channel, and that's, I think, really important. Today I'm on my way to pick up my Piper Tomahawk from DL Avionics in Cessnock. Now Darren's had the aircraft for a little while. Myself and my instructor took it over there. I'm not yet qualified to fly it over there by myself. We've had it over there for a little while. And unfortunately, things didn't go quite according to the plan and to the budget. I couldn't really afford to put any of the newer Garmin equipment in, or anything else for that matter. And my logic was as follows. Even though the Garmin 430 isn't any longer supported by Garmin, there were 105,000 of them made.
You are over the speed limit.
Let me slow down. There were 105,000 of them made. So there should be plenty of spares, plenty of spare parts and the like. Anyway, turns out the 430 was that I purchased used, despite assurances from the person that it was fully working and with no refunds offered. I took a risk and I bought it, and the risk wasn't worth taking. I ended up with a 430 was that is a perfectly good GNSS but a perfectly useless radio. Now I was a bit distressed by that at the time, even though I know I consciously made the decision to say, well, look, I'll go budget because I can always get another one. I didn't imagine that I'd be requiring another one or even parts for this one so soon. Let's head on over to Maitland first of all, where I'm going to pick up my flying instructor if he'll agree. I did send him a message, but he hasn't got back to me yet. I'll drive us both over to Cessnock Airport. We'll pre-flight TKY, fly it over to Cessnock. He'll go and have his Friday afternoon get together with the club members, which happens every Friday. I'll get a taxi back to my car and I'll head home. So that's the plan. She's all ready to go. We've pre-flighted her. A bit of water in the fuel, but we got rid of that. So we're about ready to go.
Perfect. Cessnock, Tango Kilo Yankee Tomahawk taxis, runway 35 from the Western Apron. Interesting how they got away with blue reflective tape as at a certified airport.
Yeah. I wonder what the CASA requirements are.
Well, we've got to put two blue lights in because, according to our inspector last November.
Just two?
Yeah, we've got the entry onto the 05 there. That's actually needs to be annotated as a taxiway.
I wonder if they've got two blue lights at the entry to this, but that's all.
Oh, may do, yeah. Aero logistics, a lot of hangars here now.
Yeah.
Murray's Air Repair, yeah, these are all new in the last 4 or 5 years, these ones. And where do they do the run-ups here, I guess?
I guess so. If I can work out how to turn that thing on just for the fun of it while you're taxiing, but I can't.
This one?
Yeah.
That one there.
The outer one. On
that knob looks...
Oh, you got to push it?
There it is. No, you turn it.
Gotta get a bit of a chip out of it, but look at it. Not that I'll be looking at it again, but I thought while I was taxiing, I'd try and turn it on at least.
Yeah. See how that's
Yeah.
looks like it's damaged or
Looks
loose
like
or something.
Looks like somebody's dropped the whole thing, eh?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Is there anyone taxiing behind us? No, I'm going to go up over this nice soft bitumen area and do a run up, I think. Or you're going to do it.
Alright, when I get a chance, I'll repair that. Alright, let's put the park brake on. Alright, so, inner wind, slip trim clear, park brake set, master switches are on. Right instruments, what do we got here? 200, haven't we?
Yep.
Fuel selector, tank, stress set, engine gauges, check, static sources, normal, ammeter, good, radios and electronics, good, trim, set, apps, operation, good, controls, doors are latched, overhead latch, seats, seat backs, harnesses, and so on. 1800.
Traffic Cessnock helicopter, Mike Lima kilos joining the left base for 35. Traffic Cessnock.
Perfect.
Good, now we've got a helicopter on left base here somewhere. It's probably pretty close, I'd say. Helicopters fly small circuits, don't they?
Yep. Alright, we'll put our lights on for now.
Yep, got him.
Taps are away, mixture is carb heat is off, fuel pump is on, lights are on. Yeah, I see him. Yep.
Traffic Maitland, February 7258, currently overhead, maintaining 3,500, tracking direct, Curry, Maitland traffic.
Alright, usual story. With emergency procedures, room ahead, we're still on the ground, we'll pull off, shut off if we've got runway left, we'll land on that. If not, we're going to look for some paddocks.
Cool. There's a golf course on the right.
Yeah, I was just thinking, but Tollies is over there somewhere too, but a lot of vines there.
Yeah, with fences.
Alright, everything looks ready to go, we all good?
I'm in, I'm good.
Engine's good, airspeed's alive. Trim's a bit wonky. Actually, we should probably be 2,000 feet for this flight anyway, but 1,000 feet might do us.
I think so.
Alright, power's good, undercarriage fixed, flaps are away, switches. Time is good, instruments good. We're doing upwind departure. Yankee, 800 feet upwind, runway 35, turning right to main. Traffic 10 knots. I can't hear my own voice on the radio anymore.
No, that's what I was...
I'll have to look at the audio panel, it's got something to do with that. We're monitoring the wrong thing, I'd say.
One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm good. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 4, 5.
Okay, that seems alright. Yeah. Yeah, you can hear me now, yeah. What's your plan? Do you want to do a straight in on 05 or we check the wind?
I think we can do a straight in on 05, can't we?
This not wind's very consistent with Maitland, so...
Yep. Maybe 3 miles at about those houses?
Yeah. Come across the right now, there's the quarry here, so...
Yep.
You can see the...
I can see the hangars, yeah.
Yeah, so...
Oh yeah, so 05's running like that.
Yeah.
Lovely day, big thermals by the look of it.
Yeah, there was a couple of big bumps out there. Apart from that, it's very smooth though.
I better get a look in the calendar as well to see when we can put that Navex in.
Yeah.
I'm going to call that about 3 miles.
No, you're about 5 miles in.
5 miles, am I?
Yeah.
Alright. Or maybe I'll call 5 miles.
Yeah. Okay, so turn left.
Yes, Williamstown, Delaware 735, acknowledge, descent 2000.
On the runway?
Yeah, sorry mate, I missed that call from there, but...
Yep, I got it.
Yeah, basic control there.
Yeah, acknowledge, my apologies.
Yeah, no worries mate, no, you could with the room with the terrain and
Yes, just good with terrain.
Right, brakes, undercarriage, fuel, instruments, hatches, and harness.
Alright. Line it up, tell them you're, when these guys finish, tell them you're 3 mile final runway 05.
Alright, I'm going to slow us down. That first stage of flaps out.
How's your foot? Is it sore? You happy with the crosswind?
I think so.
Yeah.
I want to just get ready near the pedal. I think I'm alright.
Yeah.
Alright, speed check. We're a little fast, but we're a bit high as well. A little bit of crosswind there and there.
Just a little one. Covered nicely.
Badly, eh? Right.
A bit of power.
Oh. Thanks for that.
No worries.
I can push him softly, but I think I could have.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit better at fixing up the mess ups, aren't I?
That was good. Yeah, you finished up a little bit short and just added that power and then kept it on the centre line nicely, and then it just settled down once you got the power off.
I'm much more used to the side picture now, which
Yeah. Well, we didn't seem to run out of fuel, so I must have got rid of the water.
Yeah.
I can hear you talking then. Can you hear them?
I could that time, yeah. The audio panel setup incorrect. I mean, hasn't found us, has it?
No, still looking. Schedule a message 1, fuel. Wonder what must have heard
No
the
idea what
story.
that's about.
Yeah. It's probably when you gives you the option to set fuel.
Oh, right. That's through the handbook one again.
Yeah.
Not that I'll be using it much, but
Yeah, you can tell it how much fuel you started, set up the fuel burn rate and all that sort of stuff.
I got the squelch wrong on my mic. I drop out all the time.
Yeah. Is that better? Or
I don't know, let me see. Yeah, that's a bit better, I think.